Chinese scientists are working around the clock to find a vaccine for the relentless coronavirus, which continues to claim lives. The Chinese embassy in South Africa updated journalists in Pretoria on the progress.
This epidemic is so unexpected, and up to now is a unknown virus. So this is the new coronavirus. This kind of virus is the first time to infect the humankind and poses a serious threat to the public health. So we need time to recognize the virus, to isolate the virus and develop the vaccine and medicine to deal with it.
The Chinese government is working closely with South Africa to screen and monitor arrivals from China. South Africa is among 13 countries with the highest volume of Chinese travelers.
We will try our best to effectively prevent and control the normal coronavirus, both in China, in South Africa, and Africa as a whole. We need to work together, not only to pray, but also fight together to try our best to work together to prevent that infectious virus from coming to this continent.
Several countries except South Africa have evacuated their citizens. There are 3,000 South Africans, mainly students, in China.
No case of infection among the South African students have been reported to us so far. China has the strong ability and capacity and enough resources to manage the public health emergency effectively, and the South African citizens in China, Hubei province, and Wuhan in particular are safe. There's no evidence or reason to support repatriation or emergency evacuation of South African citizens from China.
Meanwhile, the Chinese Association in South Africa has cancelled all New Year festivities in Johannesburg.
There's a lot of pain and suffering and a lot of challenges that they're going through at the moment. And we just didn't think as a community it would be right for us to celebrate during this time. And so in solidarity really with the Chinese over there, we decided it was best that we would postpone and even cancel some of our celebrations here.
What was meant to be a festive time on these streets has turned solemn as mainland China is working hard to bring the coronavirus under control. Julie Shara, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.